This is Jerome Estes, Design Area Engineer from the Division of Project Support at the Colorado Department of Transportation. This video offers a summary of Chapter 16 Noise Guide from the 2023 CDOT Roadway Design Guide. Noise can be a particularly sensitive stakeholder issue on transportation improvement projects. A practitioner's understanding of both noise fundamentals and the role of noise specialists are key to successfully navigating this important environmental resource. This chapter will help practitioners gain a basic understanding of the impact of noise caused by highway traffic. The impact of highway traffic noise and degree of mitigation required is determined after conducting a noise analysis. Understanding the noise fundamentals of decibels and frequencies can help designers communicate effectively with the noise specialists assigned to their project. However, highly specialized education and training are ultimately required to determine if noise mitigation is required on a project. The desire to provide noise mitigation to stakeholders who feel noise mitigation is warranted is completely natural. The project team must recognize that per Part 772 of Title 23 of the Code of Federal Regulations, FHWA will not approve plans or specifications or provide federal funding to a project unless the proposed noise mitigation complies with federal requirements. Once again, the extent of highway noise mitigation required, also known as noise abatement, is determined after conducting a highway traffic noise analysis per the National Environmental Policy Act, or NEPA. Noise barriers, such as noise walls and berms, are among the most common noise abatement methods. The noise program manager must be engaged early in noise discussions and determinations for each project. Practitioners will ensure the project contract documents meet the intent of the project's noise abatement plan, along with all applicable aesthetic and maintenance requirements. Noise is often not a top consideration of designers who might be making grade changes on roadway improvement projects. As you may expect, raising the pavement surface elevation can increase the need for noise mitigation, while depressing a roadway can reduce the impact of highway noise on surrounding neighborhoods. Especially during the pre-construction phase, the project team may need to reference applicable regulations to counter common stakeholder noise misconceptions. For example, while some pavements are perceived as less noisy, pavement type is not an optional mitigation measure. You might also be surprised to learn that vegetation does not function as noise mitigation unless it consists of 200 to 300 feet of dense, permanent foliage, ground floor to treetop coverage of at least 16 feet high. Vegetation meeting all of these parameters is pretty rare. In the next video, I will provide a summary of our final chapter, which is Chapter 17, Construction Specifications.